Okay, hello everyone. We're following on with Use Note for lesson 2. It's reading the lesson and as a food for energy. Um, you can see here in this page, we got a few pictures here and a text to read out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs, and there's another image right at the end. Um, so let's just get started. Fuel for human machine. The human body is like okay, start over. The human body. Oh my, I'm not recording. Oh my, yeah, I am. The human body is like a machine that is moving and working all the time. All machines need fuel to give them energy. The fuel for the human body is food, and most of the energy comes from two substances in our food: carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates are found in food like potatoes, bread, cereals, rice, wheat, corn, etc., and sugar. Fats come from food like cheese, butter, oil, and meat, and so on. Calories. Energy in food is measured in calories. For example, an apple has about 40 calories, an egg has about 80, a fresh date has 15, a tomato has around 12. I'm not so sure if these are correct points. Anyway, carbohydrates and fats have a lot of calories. For instance, a tin of soft drink, which contains a lot of sugar, has 145. A piece of Arab bread, okay, has 165, and only one spoonful of cooking oil has 120 calories. Right, too many calories. You need about 40 calories a day for each kilo that you weigh. Well, if someone weighs 100, they need 400 calories. Some people weigh half that and still get it. So if you weigh 60 kilos, you will need about 2,400 calories per day. If a person eats more calories than he needs, his body stores the extra calories as fats. A person who gets all calories he needs in his meals, but in addition drinks only one tin of soft drink a day, may gain 5 kilos per year. Yeah, tell me about it. Unfortunately, food which contains carbohydrates is usually cheaper than other food and it is often convenient and attractive. All junk food contains lots of carbohydrates and fats. If your diet contains a lot of junk food, you will probably get fat. Well, actually, you will absolutely get fat. Well, let's look at the images here. You can see food like this gives us carbohydrates like rice, sugar, potato, bread, and so on. And then there's a food supplies fat, and then there is a comparing the number of calories in an apple and a soft drink. And then, oh yeah, just trying to be funny image, which will give you fat. Anyway, so let's go to the reading question. We're still in the same lesson. Write answers to the questions below. First, find the answers on this page 54, which we just passed by. Then write the numbers of the lines where you found the answer. So you got two parts: finding the answer, writing the number line, and also writing an answer. So you actually have two things to answer about one question. Sorry, for example, how is energy in food measured? Like, I found the answer in lines 12 to 13, and then it's called in calories. Why does the human body need food? I found the answer in blah blah, and then um, to give it energy. Let me just try to find the answer for you because it's just a piece of cake. But um, yeah, all machines need fuel to give them energy. The fuel in the human body is food. So it's actually line number 5. Let me write it down for you people so you can just note that out with me. So it's line 5, and to give it energy things. Let's go to the next part. Which has more calories, an egg or a tomato? Tomato. It's actually, I found the answer in. Well, no, the egg absolutely has got more, and as you can see, here's a comparison. It's line 13 and 14. So yeah, you can say it's actually lines 13 and 14. And which one has more calories? Well, okay, an egg has more calories. Okay, and you can explain more actually, but You can just stick to a simple answer, extremely simple one. Now, why do soft drinks have a lot of calories? And you can say, you found the answer in, okay, because it contains a lot of fats, so you can yeah, you can get it from carbohydrates. So it's more about line 15, and you can say okay, line 15, because it has it contains a lot of carbohydrates. Oopsie. Sorry. Okay. Now, how many kilos may you gain in 1 year if you drink 2 tins of soft drink a day? Well, let me just look for the line. I think it's 5 kilos per year, as they explain. It is explained in this paragraph. One soft drink a day may get you 5 kilos, and it's actually line. Okay, so it's line 28. So it's line 28, and you can say one may gain 5 kilos if he drinks one soft drink tin a day per day. All right, for a year. Yeah. Alright, now let's go to the next part. The last one, why will you probably get fat if you eat a lot of junk food? Because, let me see where we answer. Because of the carbs, yeah. Because it stores the extra calorie as fat. So it's actually lines 23 and 24. So it's lines 23 and 24, and you can say because the body stores extra fat, extra calories, sorry, as fats in the body, which will cause you to become fat, and so on. Let's see if we've got any more questions. No, we'll see you next lesson. Thank you very much for following up.